Hello everyone, welcome to the Success Tips program for the students. I'm happy to be with you again. In our previous video, we had the overview of all the 5 important steps for success in life. Do you remember? Yes. What are they? SPMLA. Set your goals, plan your actions, manage your time, learn to concentrate, apply memory techniques. Today we will discuss the first tip, that is set your goals. Generally, we go in the direction we face. We face the direction we design. Our destination is determined by our direction. Please see the connection. There are 3 important elements here. First one is direction and facing a particular direction to get what we want in life, and then destination. So you need to have clarity. What is your destiny? To reach that destiny, which direction you have to face and how you have to design the direction you face. These are very important. Destiny can never be changed overnight, but direction can be changed. For instance, you wish to see the sunrise. In order to see the sunrise every morning, which direction you have to face? You have to face the east. But then, if you face the west every morning and wish to see the sunrise, is it possible for you to reach your destination? Your destination is watching the sunrise, but the direction which you are facing is west. It is impossible. Even if you stand for 10 long years facing the west, wishing to see the sunrise, you can never reach your destiny. You need to have clarity about your destiny, your goals, the direction which you are facing to reach your destiny. Clarity is very important. Goals are of 2 types. Short-term goals or short-range goals. Long-range goals or long-term goals. Short-term goals are confidence builders. They build your confidence every day, every week, every month, every year to reach your long-range goals. Your long-range goals can be what you want in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, ultimate in your life. What do you want to do? In order to achieve your goals, you need to be a smart planner, a smart worker. You remember the word smart. I said you need to be a smart worker, planner. Remember the word smart. Smart explains goals. Again 5 letters. S-M-A-R-T. S for specific. Your goals should be very specific. The next letter is M. M for measurable. Goals should be always measurable. By the end of the day, by the end of the week, by the end of the month, by the end of the year, you should be able to measure your progress. The next letter is A. A for achievable. Goals should be always achievable. See, when you set your goals, you should also think whether they are achievable in the given situation, depending on the resources you have, depending on your capabilities, strengths. You need to know whether they are achievable. If you set very hard, tough goals, then they may not be achievable. You will get disappointed. So just think carefully whether the goals you are setting are achievable by you. The next letter is realistic. The goals you set should be realistic in nature. When we set goals, we need to ask ourselves whether our goals are realistic, whether they are reachable. It depends on the resources we have and the time we have and what we want. So we should think carefully whether they are realistic in nature. The next letter T stands for time. Every goal we set should have time bound. They should have deadlines. Okay, by the end of the day, by the end of the week, by the end of the month, or by the end of a year. Unless we have time frames or deadlines, we will not have the sense of urgency in achieving our goals, and we will also not be very much motivated towards achieving goals. I think now all of you have clarity about goals. So stay tuned for the next video where we are going to discuss about the next letter P from SPMLA. P for plan your actions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay tuned and also press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it for your notifications.